Hey there, I'm Sabina Fox and I'm a customer feedback specialist from Survicate, a top-rated survey app for HubSpot. In this short video, I'll show you how to send Survicate surveys with HubSpot emails and how convenient it is to see survey responses in contact profiles.
To add the Survicate integration in HubSpot, go to HubSpot App Marketplace. Search Survicate. Click Install App. You will be redirected to the Survicate website. Log in or create a free account. On the top left, click Integrations. Find HubSpot on the list. On the right, click Connect. A pop-up window will appear. Log into your HubSpot account. Accept the terms and conditions. The integration is ready to use.
In the Survicate dashboard, click Create New Survey. Pick whether you'd like to use a ready template, create a survey with AI, or start from scratch. Then, select Email or Shareable Link Survey. Let's make an NPS survey. Build your survey by adding questions, applying survey logic, and customizing the appearance. In the Customization tab, click Email Template to edit what your survey embed will look like in your email. Due to the nature of HTML, the first question of your survey needs to be either a welcome message, a single choice, a smiley scale, a rating scale, or a net promoter score question. Once you're ready with your survey, go to the Configure tab and select HubSpot as the distribution tool under Identify Respondents With. Go to the Connect tab and find HubSpot. You can use survey responses to update existing contact fields in contact profiles, create new fields right inside Survicate, and create new contact profiles if you have a contact form question type in your survey. Let's set up a new field for this survey. We'll collect the NPS scores for the first quarter in 2025. Now, go to the Share tab of your survey and scroll down to see your survey embed preview. Click on Send to HubSpot Editor. Open HubSpot. Create your email campaign according to your needs. When editing the content of your email, click More and look for the Survicate survey module. Each survey you send to the HubSpot editor from Survicate will appear here. Drag and drop the module directly into your email body. You can add padding. To send survey modules to the editor automatically, you must be on the Marketing Professional plan or above in HubSpot. But if you're not, there is a workaround. Back in Survicate, you can click on Get Your Code instead of Send to HubSpot Editor. Copy it. When editing your email, click the plus and drag the HTML box to where you want your survey. Paste the HTML code into the box. See? Same thing. Then, send the email campaign as you normally would. When contacts respond to the survey, a new field will pop up in their contact profiles. In this case, the field will be 2025 NPS Q1.